Now, Dr. Mubashir Katana, one of the most knowledgeable, confused person in our batch. Why confused? He always find right or left. Okay, and today he give exam without my permission. Okay, let me make it very clear. He gave exam without my permission. I was strongly against it because he took the momentum, he break the momentum. He took the momentum, he break the momentum. But 2 weeks back, he said to me, I'm gonna give exam. So you tell me what to do. I said, do all the random. I can do this one. I can no, do all the randoms. I can do this one. No, do the all the randoms. So Mubashir, before we go into detail, did random mocks help?
Yes, sir.
Were
It's
they
help. I have completed that one. I have completed
yes?
it.
Were they important or not?
Yes, they are important. Because most of the questions are from the all those questions, related questions.
Okay. So, Dr. Mubashir, you gave online exam in Saudi. I
Yes.
want you to walk through that process. What is the step one, step two, step three of the online exam? So that everyone who is watching your video later on, when they have online exam, they know, okay, this to do, this not to do. Can you please?
Okay. So, thank you so much, sir. I am very much excited because this was my toughest exam in my life. For my life, for the whole life, this exam was the toughest exam because I am preparing for the exam for from the last 2 years. But I have when I will come to you and after I think 6 months ago I have joined you. So the exam regarding the online exam, first you have to pick the not the center. You have to pick the online exam. So this is the first step, and then you have to decide the date and time when you will select the date, and there are multiple time slots are there. You have to select that slots, and after that it's done. That's all. This
Okay.
is the first. But when you will go to the online exam, there are few things you have to memorize, that you have phone yourself, because when you are taking the pictures, the with the mobile with the laptop camera, it is not good one. So you have to keep the mobile phone with you so that you can take your pictures, and from your left side, from your left right side, front side, back side. So these are four pictures you have to capture with your mobile, because with the mobile everything pictures can be captured good one. So you have to keep in mind, you have your phone with yourself.
Mm.
So that's all. This is the first step, because for the first 30 minutes, the check-in time and all these are things which you have to do, which you have to complete it
Mm. Okay.
before
Okay.
starting the exam.
Okay. Then.
So then the when all this done, then the lady will proctor will come, and he will say, she or he will tell you that show me your front desk where you are sitting. All four corners you have to show them, and you have to show them to all your room setting. And if you have watches on your hand, she will send it, and after that you have the mobile. She will say that okay, you have to keep that mobile to not in your reach. And after checking all these settings, then she will okay, we are starting the exam.
Okay. Good. Okay. So in between the exam, did you read aloud? In between the exam,
No,
did
no,
you do
no,
like
no, no,
that?
no, because no, it is this was very much tough for me to, because I have to keep silent. I have to um, remember that I will not move my lips. So because that are the instruction which I have read on from the site, that you can't do this.
Okay. 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 How did you manage time?
So time management was the good. The first half was the 80 minutes and the 70. But first half was my is very much tough. First half, and after two second and third it was much easy. But first half was my very, and because it was my starting point. So I am also warming up. So it takes time. So in the first half.
in the first
But
time.
I was very much tired during the exam because it takes so much time. You can't go to the switch off the lights or something like that. You can't do it.
Hmm.
You
Okay.
have to stick on your chair.
But
Don't.
in the 10-minute breaks, you can get up from there.
Yes, yes, yes. In the time I have taken the first break, I have taken it, and
Second, no?
second break I have not taken it because I was thinking that I will more tired. So I have completed, I think, uh, 20 minutes before I have completed it.
Let me tell you one story. I had a student from Lahore. In his second break, he slept for 30 minutes. And he passed with all above target. I just think that I remembering him. I had one student, he was back again, interestingly from Lahore. He actually slept in the center, inside the
Because
center.
such it is very much tough that you will sit for 5 hours, because I have started 10:30 and it will go to the
Now you
3:30. But
understand why I was forcing 4 hour mock, 4 hour mock, do the 4 hour mock. That
yes, it is.
that is stamina. That is the stamina that you.
Yes,
Okay, Mubashir.
because I have a stomach issue and I did not go for the longest march. I have not did I only skip one. I have tried one mock 180 question mocks. I have did it only one because my there is an issue with my stomach. I could not sit so for such a long time. So my doctor has tell me that you can't sit such a long because your stomach will be empty and you will feel there is a problem with you. So that is why I did not pick the 180 marks. No, I only did it for one marks.
Now you believe you should do that.
Yes, but my health condition is not
No,
so
that's
good.
okay. Apart from that,
Yes,
but you should do that for.
yes, we have to do. We have to practice it because such a long time sitting, it is very much difficult.
Hmm.
Because at the center might be you can do it, but at the home you can't move like this one. So these are the some of the compulsion you have to
Okay.
fulfill.
Okay. So walk me through first section, how much time? Second, how much time? And third, how much time?
First one I have completed almost 70-75, but after 10 minutes because the break will never come when the.
Even if
Yes.
you don't like your case is a
Yes,
classic.
I have skipped some questions. I have marked some questions so that I can review it. And after the 70 minutes, I have reviewed all the question. But it is wrong. It is correct one. But I did not change any answer.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Perfectly understand. Okay. So when we put into that, now this is a classical case for everybody. The second break you skip. Did you get those 10 minutes in your real exam?
Uh, in the I think I have to taken, but
They got
I
skipped.
did not take.
Yeah.
I did not take.
Well, you did not take. Okay. How many drag and drop questions were there in your exam?
I think 12 question. I
12 drag and drop.
12. There many. I think was there because the drag and drop questions I did not so much practice it really. But there are 12 questions.
Okay.
But I don't know it was correct or wrong, but I don't know.
Okay. How many formula question?
There's no formula. Only one question. On one question.
Did
Only
you
one formula question.
did you watch the PMP marathon we did on Saturday?
No, I did not.
You did not watch the marathon. Okay. We did a lot of drag and drop questions. So first thing first, you need to before you go to Pakistan, make 10 to 15 question for PMP marathon. I will be using in the next PMP marathon. Acha, Mubashir, what would be your advice to all the people how they should prepare?
Sir, I think so. It will be very man to man vary because everyone have some their own issues. Like me, for me there are health issues are there. So sometime I feel that I'm fully prepared, but my health condition has so much, so I have to stop it. So that is the issue. So I think if you will show make it consistent, so it can be done very easily. So with due respect, I did not tell you that I have to prepare it So because I know that you will not allow me to take this risk, but I have to take because I have to go to Pakistan and my health condition is not so good that I think so that because before that I have gap 1 month. So everything has been vanished out. I did not know anything when I have to start it from the zero. I have to start at zero. So I don't take two risks. So I think that okay, let's take the risk. And before that, I have listened some stories that they can do it. I think if they can do, why not I me? Why not me? So I have taken the risk. Sorry for that. I have taken it. So
So, Doctor,
this is
if you haven't done the random mocks, the result would have been opposite. Why? You did not do 180. You did not do
yes,
180. This is for everyone who thinks
yes,
this adventure, the adventure he did. So random 60 is critical. Don't miss random 60.
yes. I have complete. I have done all the random questions.
Right.
I have did it.
Today, me and Martina was having discussion, and she told me that you said that the mobile was lost. I told her to
Yes.
ask him to do one more random. Random is the most critical thing here. Okay, so let me ask the Ali question. How what was the percentage of the mocks, the percentage of the topics that you get?
Percentage, I did not say anything percentage, but I have the question, more question from the stakeholders and the agile and the team. These are the three topics which I have the more questions from all these topics.
I
But I
understand.
cannot see the what are the percentage because I did not remember it.
What was your percentage in mocks? Saudi is asking.
Uh, in the random marks, it's about 65 to say 68 in between.
No, no, let me open it. I don't think so.
60 and 60, 60 to 60 because I have shared with you.
Hmm.
And the Martina is
61,
asking for me
61,
the record.
65,
So
61,
my
65, 63, 66, 80,
yes,
78, and then I ask him, uh, you are also doing two time one random walk, right?
yeah, yes.
Let me put this thing. Martina when called me, I said, nah, 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 nah. I called him. When he did random 5, 78.3. Random 6, 80%. Random 5, I guess the score or Manishka's score was like 56, 58. And when he did 7,
And
I said, this is not possible. I said, this is out of control, chat. I asked him, was this your first attempt? No, no, sir. After doing it, I reviewed and do it again. Said, send me the first attempt score. Send me the first. Sir, that is low. Yeah, send me that. And that is,
And I am, sir, I am special thank to Miss Sudha. She always motivate me. Whatever the I have queries, she answer me. And from the day first, she's with me. Whenever at the late night, whenever I'm doing, I have any confusion with the question, I send it to her. I did not see there's so much because nowadays she is in America, but before that she was in some other places, and at that time there are time difference is much there. So whenever I said that, she replied me, and she has very good mentor for me, and she motivate me. Yes, you can do it. But I was very much confused that can I do it, and I asked for many times, what are the other scores? Can I do it? Can I do it? And always she said that okay, yes, you can do it. So this was also motivation for me. Okay, if she's thinking that yes, I can do it, so I had taken the risk. So the result is here.
so did you know he was going to give exam?
No, I told her.
He
Okay,
didn't
then,
tell me he's
okay,
booking
then
the
I'm gonna yell at Sudha. But did he tell me? But she didn't tell.
exam. He didn't tell me he's booked the exam, but he was telling, "Are you happy with my scores?" That's all.
That's okay. That's okay. As long as that is okay, because like, this is a very important thing for everyone. Don't try to do this. Don't try to do this. I have many students who tried to do it. They could not pass. I'm telling you. Okay. I can tell you in my list, out of 21 people, 12, 13 did this thing. Okay. Now with him, he has been telling me I'm gonna give exam from last 2 weeks. So whenever he message, I tell him do
Do the marks. Do the
the
marks.
the mocks, the random. I never said you can't give exam. Why not? Do the mocks. Okay. So he did actually for last 2 weeks random mocks. and some of them 2 times, unless his score get better. Because he could not do 180, he overworked on that area. Okay, Mubbashar,
Sir,
congratulations once again.
thank you so much, sir, for your help, for
Want
your
Asiya to
mentorship.
be certified from you now. She told me that you forced her to join my program. Now make sure that she also become PMP. Okay. Now make sure she is certified PMP. I want every single one of you to do PMP before the end of year. Any final advice you would like to share?
I think the final is do the mocks and do the RCA.
Do the
RCA is very much important because from the lectures, lecture is something else. Lecture is only for your starting point. But the RCA, when you will do RCA, you will understand how the question is. You are thinking is something else, and in the real life there is something else. Experience is something else, but here you have to apply the mindset of the PMI. So this is my advice. You have to do the RCA.
You have to do the RCA. You have to work on the RCA. With that,
Yeah.
send me a good picture of you with that certificate on your laptop holding like that. I'll send you a Uday picture. Send me a picture like that. I'll put it there. Okay?
Okay. I have to take the certificate. I just with the laptop.
I'll show you. Uday took those people who give online exam, I asked to take a picture like Uday. Or you can print it out. How they did. I'll show you. Took a very beautiful picture. Okay. Yes, of course, PMP trophy, na? This should look like that with all above target like this. Okay?
Okay.
Looks good. It looks
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I guess he took shower before the picture. Uday, you don't have to take. So just take a normal picture. With that, thank you very much, Dr. Saab.
Okay,
And
sir. Thank you so much.
I wish you best of luck for the future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, Sudha and Mohit, over to you. You guys can solve question answers. Mohit, are you with me?
Mohit.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Mohit, 10 question answers you need to do. I took their time
Okay.
for this, but 10 questions you need to do. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I'm leaving.
Mohit, I'm making you